Hello and welcome. We are starting work examples on simple supported beam. We are on example number 1, so we'll be looking at some sets of examples. The first example we have on the board says a grinder of uniform section and constant depth is freely supported over a span of 3 meters. If the point load at the midspan is 30 kilonewton and what the moment of inertia about the x-axis is 1.614 times 10 to the power of minus 6 meters to the power of 4. Calculate 1, the central deflection, 2, the slope at the end of the beam. Take E to be equals to 200 giganewton per meter square. Now let's bring out our data. The solution. Now we have what data is given. First, we have our our length of 3 meters. So our length L is equal to what? 3 meter. Secondly, we have a load at the midspan of 30 kilonewton. So this is this. We don't need to write this. This is our moment of inertia I xx. This will be equal to 15.614 times 10 to the power of what? Of minus 6 meters to the power of 4. This is what we have. Next, we have what? We have our E to be equal to 200 giganewton per meter square. Now we are going to be looking for the central deflection first. The central deflection. The central deflection is still the same thing as what? As the maximum deflection. All right. Now, in our previous case, we considered two cases under simply supported beam. The first case is where we have a simply supported beam with a point load at the midspan. And when we consider that, we got our Y max to be equals to WL to the power of 3 all over 48 EI. Now, we know that Y max is equals to WL to the power of 3 all over 48 EI. So all we just need to do is to substitute our values. All right. So Y max will be equal to W. Now our W is 30 and is in what? In kilo. So we have 30 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. All right. Multiplied by L, which is what? 3. Multiplied by L, which is 3, all to the power of what? Of 3. This will be all over what? This will be all over 48 EI. So we have 48 multiplied by E. E is what? E is 200 giganewton. This is 200 times 10 to the power of 9. Multiplied by I. I is what? 1.15.614 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Now, our Y max must be in millimeter. That is the unit we have been using. All right. So we'll just multiply by what? 10 to the power of what? Of 3. Because we have we have meter here, so we are converting to millimeter. So if you do this, your Y max will be equal to 5.4 millimeter. So we have 5.4 millimeter as our value for what? For Y max. So next, we are asked to calculate the slope at the end of the beam. All right. So we have two ends. We have A and we have B. The slope at A will be equal to what? The slope at B, because the beam is symmetrical. So the slope at A, when we consider this case, this is the first case we considered under simply supported beam. When we consider this, the slope at A, we got it to be nothing but what? Minus WL square all over 16 EI. So we say our slope at A, theta A, is equals to minus WL square all over what? All over 16 EI. I think this is what we got. Now, if we substitute our values, we are going to get the slope at A. Now, theta A is equals to minus W, which is 30, multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, because it's in kilo, multiplied by what? 2 to the power of, okay, this is 3. Our length is 3 to the power of 2, all over what? All over EI. Now, we have 16 here, multiplied by E. E is nothing but what? 200 times 10 to the power of 9, multiplied by our moment of inertia, which is 515.614, multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6. Now, this is what we have. Now, if we do all of this, we are going to get minus 0.0054 radian. So this will be what? This will be minus 0.0054 radian. Now to convert from radian to degree, we multiply by what? 180 all over pi. So if we multiply by what? 180 all over pi, we are going to have our theta A to be equal to minus 0.3039 degrees. Minus 0.309 degrees. So this is our value for what? For theta A, and this is our value for what? For maximum deflection. I hope you find this helpful in your exams and what? And your test. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. We have numerous solutions to numerous questions under simple supported beam. If you happen to need any of them, you can reach out to us through the description on our channel, and it will take you to our WhatsApp group where you can make your request and you will get it. We will get it across to you. All right, so stay tuned for example number 2. Thank you for watching.